Okay, guys, here we go. Triple six, a run and gun in 3 wagers. Okay, so guys, once again, always tell your AI to wire up your PlayStation or Xbox controller. So let's get right into it. This is called triple six. Okay, Perdition Island. Okay, so looks like we have a HUD, little map at the bottom. Whoa, a lot of little monsters we can fight. So let's go to, I guess let's go to Grimwaltz. Let's keep it on medium. The strong, okay. Oh yeah, this is nice. The gameplay is nice, guys. Whoa, get up off me, man. Super is ready, triangle. Oh, back up. All right, I'm gonna get right up on you. Stop playing with me. I'm gonna get right up on you. Oh, whoa, I'm gonna get right up on you. Oh, dodge A. Super took his head off. Ooh! That's close. Oh my God. Let's get right back in there on them. So the gameplay is smooth, guys. So this is your dash with O. I got O on a PlayStation controller. X to shoot. Triangle for the super. And then what I've noticed, if you let, oh, come on, baby. Oh no! Whoa! 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 Ain't no way, man. Ain't no way. Okay, guys, we're not losing this time. Get up out of there, Jay. Whoa! Stay up on him. Stay up on him, Jay. You can see where the car's coming if you stay up on them. Super on him. Okay. Whoa, 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 whoa. One dice left? No. Oh my God, guys. You telling me I can't get past the first boss? Okay, come on. Oh. Give him some of those dice. There we go. Stay up under him, Jay. Stay up under him. I just learned something. Stay up under him, Jay. Yep. Oh, can't see. You can do. See, now he. Get him with that super, Jay. Get up on him. Yep. Oh. Come on. Give us a. Woo! Damn. 2,352 points. Let's go. They gave me 5 cents. Oh my God, guys. That was just the first boss. What is going on? Let's just go around the map and see all these bosses, man. That's a lot of bosses. This is what Opus made. Whoa. I can imagine. Okay, all roads on. Oh, the pawnbroker. Let's enter the. We can buy stuff. So chip spread, 5 casino chips in a cone, melts up close. Let's see what it goes down to. Whoa, look at all these different things you can use. So let's go back up. Should I spend my money, man? I'm gonna get the chip spread because we don't know what's coming next. Okay, so they got easy, medium, and hard. The sauce red. Okay. Whoa. Oh, this is the new spread. Whoa. Oh, I like that. So instead of the dice, I want to see what the special. Oh. Let's see what the special. Oh. Whoa. Almost got my special. Oh, special time. Okay, so the special with the spread is still a dice. Okay. I like the spread because it. Oh. Got him. They gave me another 5 cents, guys. I'm going. So we only got 6. We just came from the prime broker. Let me see. Did we have enough money? Oh, we got enough. The Hellhound slow homing skull hits what you cannot. Okay. So it looks like we got a different weapon. I'm gonna keep it on medium, guys. Oh. Oh, it's homing. So it automatically hits him. I like that. Whoa. I got 1 dice left. Whoa, I don't like this guy. Hit him with the dice. Oh. Whoa. Yeah, this guy. Yeah, this guy said he throws a lot of stuff. So I got these homing beacons. Yes, I'm gonna confuse him, go left and right. Yeah. Which way I'm going? Whoa. Which way I'm going? Hit him with the. Whoa. Hit him with them dice. Oh, that was smart. Hit me with a spread of his own. Come on. Got him 3 cups. Whoa. Don't die. Did you see the special on that one? Whoa. We got 5 cents. We don't have enough for the broker for the next weapon. Let's continue this. Let's go medium. Next one I'm going hard. Oh. Let me get some of that money, man. Whoa. Oh yeah, you ain't doing nothing. Oh yeah. Give me some of them 7s. Oh, I'm finna rock them. Oh, I just seen something. Okay, so I got 2 specials. Whoa. You see those cherries? I'm ask for cherries. Oh. So you can dodge it if you hit dash at the right time. Woo! Whoa. Get up out of there. Come on. Stop playing with me, man. I'm putting it on hard, y'all, because it looks like it's too damn easy for you, boy. How much money we got? We got 12. Let's go to the pawnbroker and see what we can get. Ace high razor card that punches clean through everything. Let's try that. Okay, Horde Frost. We're going hard, guys. The payouts times 2. Oh. Okay, so this is that card. I don't like this one because it's. Oh. Oh! Royal Flush! Whoa! Whoa! Hit him with that. Ain't looking good, guys. Oh, we got 1 dice left. Oh, 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 oh. Special. Take him out, Jay. Take him out. Freedom! No! Guys, tell me, guys, what do you think about this game, guys? Triple Six, guys. This is my new game I just built. It's called Triple Six. It's production ready. And guys, this is what I'm doing. Let me get my keyboard, guys. Oops. Let me get my keyboard because this is what I'm going to be doing, guys. Let me put my controller down. Let's go to Crazy Games. And this is what I'm going to be putting my game on, guys. So if you guys want to come play this game, I don't know how long it's going to take to approve it, but this is where you can go through and play different people games, guys, right? So now I'm putting my games on Crazy Games. So we're gonna go to developer, guys. If you want to put your game on here, scroll down to the left. Let me go back so I can show you guys developers right here under contact us. Click developers. It'll take you to this game page. It says publish your game to millions on the web. Crazy Games is empowering developers to reach a new audience through browser games. Go beyond native platforms, reach millions of players worldwide, and generate revenue from games. Okay, guys, this is what we wanted. So, guys, now I'm going to be putting my game on here tonight, guys, and we will be updating you guys when it's live. Guys, check back maybe in another 5-6 days, and you'll be able to play the same game I just built, guys. That game got 28 bosses, guys. It has a leaderboard, has a shop, has all type of rewards. Guys, I hope you guys like my first monetized game, guys. So yeah, I'm putting it on Crazy Games, and don't forget, guys, you have other sites I'm going to be putting on, Pokey, Distribution, so many other games, guys. So hey, guys, comment down below if you guys like this game. Comment down below if you want to see me make something for you guys. Hey, guys, thanks for joining me today. It's been a hell of a ride. This is one of my best games so far. I nailed it. Oh, also, guys, let me go in here so I can show you guys. Sorry, before I go. Okay, so yes, guys, I did build this with Opus 5, guys. So as you can see, guys, let me scroll up so you can see. I told it to build me a side-scrolling game, and this is the art it gave me, guys. And this is what it built for me. The same game you guys are seeing, this is what Opus 5 built for me, guys. Yes, it built it for me so you guys can see it. And guess what, guys? I built it on low. I didn't build it on medium, high, max, or ultra. I built it on Opus 5 low, guys. Yes, it built this whole game on low. And also, I want to show you guys one more thing. Where is it at? Where is it at? Where is it at? I can show you exactly how I built it. Where's it at? Okay, here it is right here, guys. So it says, this is the rendering technology it used. HTML5 Canvas 2D API, not WebGL, not 3JS, not Unity or Godot. Plain Canvas rendering context 2D. Internal resolution is fixed at 1600 by 900. CSS scaled to whatever window you're in, so it's crisp on any display. Vector art, not sprites or pixel art. This was the key decision. Okay, guys, so that's what it built it in, guys. And I hope you guys like it. And look, here you can see, guys, here's other pictures. It took screenshots while I was making it, guys. Opus 5 on low. You can see it switched to low, guys. So, guys, hey, guys, if you really like this video, make sure you like this video, guys. If I can get 10 likes on this video, I would be super happy, guys. And another thing, if you one of my subscribers, definitely make sure you like it. If you one of the new viewers, make sure you like and subscribe, guys, because we come with new stuff every day, guys. So thank you guys for joining. I'm out.